Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing a super handy trick for YouTube TV users, how to quickly jump back to the previous channel you were watching.
No more endless scrolling through the guide.
In this video, I'll show you the different methods for switching back to the previous channel on YouTube TV, depending on your device. Whether you're using a smart TV, a streaming device like Roku or Chromecast, or even just the web browser, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more YouTube TV tips and tricks.
Let's get started.
Scene 1. Using the remote on a smart TV or streaming device. Okay, first up, let's look at how to do this using your remote on a smart TV or streaming device. The easiest method is often a dedicated button. Option 1. The last or previous channel button. Many remotes have a button specifically for this. It might be labeled Last, Previous Channel, or something similar. Simply press that button, and bam!
You're back to channel you were just watching. Test it out.
Option 2. The back button. In some cases, the back button on your remote will also take you to the previous channel. It might take a couple of presses depending on how deep you are in the menu, but often this works in a pinch. Scene 2. Using the YouTube TV interface. If your remote doesn't have a dedicated button, don't worry. You can still switch channels easily through the YouTube TV interface. Option 1. The Recent section. On many platforms, when you bring up the guide or menu, you'll see a Recents or Recently Watched section. This lists the channels you've been watching, making it super simple to jump back to the previous one. Just select it with your remote. Option 2. Channel surfing with the down button. Press the down button on your remote to bring up the mini guide. This displays the current channel and a few channels below it. You can then use the up and down buttons to quickly scroll through your recently watched channels, as well as what is currently airing on each. Scene 3. Using YouTube TV on a web browser. Now, let's see how to do this on a web browser. The back button in your browser. The simplest way is to use the back button in your web browser. This will often take you back to the previous page, which in this case would be the previous channel. Using the YouTube TV interface. Similar to smart TVs, the YouTube TV interface on a web browser is very similar to the smart TV app. Look for the Recent section or use the guide to navigate back to the previous channel. Scene 4. Quick recap and conclusion. So there you have it. Several ways to quickly go to the previous channel on YouTube TV. Remember to check your remote for a dedicated Last or Previous Channel button. If not, use the back button or explore the Recent section within the YouTube TV interface. Hopefully, this video has helped you streamline your YouTube TV viewing experience. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tips and tricks for all your streaming devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.